Natalie?
Yes, mommy.
Oh, you're doing your homework. What are you doing?
Math.
Oh, you're doing maths.
No, it's math, mommy, not maths.
This same thing. Let me see what I do. 3 and 4 are 7.
Mommy, why you say it like 3 and 4? That's 34. You're supposed to say 3 plus 4
The same
equals
thing.
7. Not 3 and 4 are 7.
The same thing.
Mommy, you can't say it like that.
What, Mac?
Because we'll get in trouble. We're supposed to say 3 plus 4.
All right. Let me see. 2 2s are 4. 2 3s
Mommy, you
are
can't
6.
say 2 2s are 4. Mommy, I can't say that in
God,
school.
Sylvia,
I have to say 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. I can't say 2 3s. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. I can't say that. Mommy, the teacher's not going to know what I'm saying.
Then what make you and the teacher can't learn?
Mommy, I have to do it how the teacher wants me to do it. I can't do it like 2 2s are 4 and 3 and 4 are 7. Mommy, I can't do that.
Ma kiss me neck, boy, them a complicate simple maths. But see ya.